How's the fire drill experience? Shiv, how was the fire drill experience? Addison, how was the fire drill experience?
Well, I was sleepy. I'm not anymore, so it's a good thing.
Yeah, it's a good thing.
I'm sleepy.
Hi.
He didn't know what fire drills were, so he had
Really?
a very nice good lesson about how.
Hey guys, what's up? Good morning. आज हमारी good morning good नहीं थी because they woke us up with a fire drill at 7 o'clock in the morning. My father always stresses on things like safety and fire and workplace. Like he always tells us about when we are chilling on the dinner table. He always tells us that these things are very important, and all the big international corporations apparently they stress on fire safeties and other natural disaster safeties. So I think it's okay, I think it's good. It's not the worst thing in the world to get woken up one day, but it can be traumatizing for some people. I saw some girl comforting another girl. The sound was just too loud. Anyways, we're heading to the gym. Shraman is not with us right now. He will go later in the day. And you can see it must two cute dogs. Today I woke up at 6:15 and I woke up with a very negative thought that I don't want to go to the gym. And till the fire alarm thing, the whole fire drill got over, I was like, screw it, I'm not going to the gym. I even messaged on the group, I'm skeptical about going to the gym today. So here's where I've learned something about spirituality. You're not your body or your mind. So you have some bigger purposes to fulfill. Always think of those and not what your mind says. You can always push your mind to break the limits. You can always push your body to break the limits. If your mind is weak, you cannot achieve your goals, you cannot achieve your targets, because your mind will always tell you to take the easy way out. And your body will listen to your mind, but always remember that you are not your body and your mind. Beetle, by the way, looks customized. Nice. Oops, sorry. Modern, retro modern kind of look. अभी बज रहे हैं 9:11. जिम करके हो गया मस्त आज. I did bicep curls, hammers, did some leg raises, leg extensions, leg curls, also some chest with the dumbbells and shoulder. और क्या किया, स्किपिंग किया. एवरीडे स्किपिंग, थोड़ा मैं इंटेंसिटी बढ़ा रहा हूँ. आज ऑलमोस्ट 15 मिनट्स किया. मस्त स्वेटिंग हुआ. और आज थर्सडे, सो आज लेक्चर्स नहीं है, बट आई विल गो होम एंड थोड़ा पढ़ाई करूँगा अभी, एक बार नहा के खा के, एंड लेट्स सी हाउ द डे गोज़. ऑल्सो आज नवरात्रि है, आज से नवरात्रि चालू हो रही है. सो विशिंग एवरीबडी अ वेरी वेरी हैप्पी एंड ब्लेस्ड एंड प्रॉस्परस नवरात्रि. सो माई डेबिट कार्ड जस्ट केम. और ये लोग क्या करते हैं, ये लोग 2 मेल भेजते हैं अपने पोस्ट में. और द फर्स्ट मेल कंटेन्स योर डेबिट कार्ड एंड योर अकाउंट नंबर इन्फॉर्मेशन. सेकेंड मेल में वो अपना पिन नंबर भेजते हैं. जैसे इंडिया में अपना सिस्टम होता है वैसा नहीं है. लाइक आई रिमेंबर मैंने अभी इधर आने से पहले एक HDFC में अकाउंट ओपन किया था. सो इन वन एनवेलोप ओनली दे गिव मी द इंटरनेट बैंकिंग का पिन, माई डेबिट कार्ड पिन, माई डेबिट कार्ड इटसेल्फ. और या पता नहीं क्या सिस्टम है इनका इधर, ऐसा क्यों है, बट नेवरदलेस मेरा अभी इधर का लोकल बैंक अकाउंट खुल जाएगा.
The next day.
How's the sushi? Fucking amazing. So good.
Have you tried the co-op ones?
They're terrible. The co-op ones are terrible. The yo ones are better. But these are Itsu ones are next level.
So good.
इधर आने के बाद I've had more sushi than I've had more Indian food.
That one day you made rajma, and that one day I made palak paneer.
Yeah.
Other than that, what Indian food have we had? Oh,
So
we
I
had
made-
that chicken also. Chicken.
And even when Addison's
Yeah.
stomach fucked
yeah,
up.
yeah. That day we had the chicken jalfrezi
Yeah.
and bhindi masala.
Yeah.
And after that also, I think just the two of us, we also had Indian that day.
We had chicken, no, that day. What was it? I forgot. Dal
Dal
and chicken. Yeah. So we just came to deposit cash into our bank Santander में. मेरा अकाउंट फाइनली ओपन हो गया. कल मेरा कार्ड आ गया और आई डिपॉजिटेड द रिमेनिंग जितना भी कैश था. आई एक्सप्लेन यू गाइज इधर बैंक कैसे ओपन करते हैं, बैंक अकाउंट कैसे ओपन करते हैं फॉर स्टूडेंट्स. To open a Santander Bank current account here, you have to, as a student, you can only open this one, which is the Essentials current account. And here, basically, you will have to submit your BRP card. You get something known as the attendance letter from your college, which basically has your address on it. So these two are the most important documents that you'll have to submit, and you just basically apply online. And because you don't open an account, a physical bank account, going to a bank, this you will have all your details of your account on the card itself, which I will share with you guys in a further video. So you just basically start a new application, accept, and yes, continue. And then these are some details that you fill in and agree and submit, and it should take you a week and a half max to get all your account details and your debit card basically, and your pins for accessing the ATM as well as accessing the online banking features. Yep, that's a simple explanation as to how you can open a current account, Essentials current account at Santander Bank. Or we got very lucky today with some shopping from Primark.
Some really cool leatherish jackets. He bought one, I bought one. Same thing.
And it was really cheap also.
Cheap.
Very cheap, £20 for this, and a proper coat for the winter.
Winter jacket.
So this is like 35 quid. Sorry, 30 quid.
30 quid.
And the same thing I was checking in Marks and Spencer. That was 75 with a hoodie. 79 for the hoodie one, and 50 for the normal
for the
normal one.
yeah.
So I have like a £50, what do you say, gift card from Marks and Spencer's. I'll go to Marks and Spencer's one of these days, and I'll get some sweatshirts and some like for uni, basically uni wear. Now all the Pune/Cinet gang is coming in the evening. I'm making Rajma Chawal, so it's a big Rajma Chawal feast today, and of course the lads are also there. Are you excited for the Rajma Chawal? This time it's going to be better because I have cumin seeds also, and the Rajma beans will be boiled perfectly because tinned wale.
I'm always excited for Rajma. My North Indianness comes out when it's Rajma.
And there is basmati rice also, so I'll make jeera rice. चलो घर पे मिलते हैं. I'll show you guys these jackets wear करके once I reach home. तो ये लिया मैंने. ये है एक थिक जैकेट, विंटर के लिए, इट विल बी गुड फॉर स्नो जब होता है तब। और ये थोड़ा सा ऐसा लेदर जैकेट वाइब्स है, मैं पहन के दिखाता हूँ आपको। मस्त कंफर्टेबल है ये, थिक। ये काइंड ऑफ लाइक अ लेदर जैकेट है, काइंड ऑफ सेम वाइब्स बट डिफरेंट।
Later that same evening.
All the gang is here. We have Aishwarya, Nikita, Shashank Babu, Srishti, Shraman, Addison. I'm making rajma chawal for these guys again. And
These guys again.
first time.
You
Okay.
made it for the first time video में कब
Pause this shit. And Aishwarya is making kheer.
The next day.
What's up guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today is Sunday 10th October. We're heading to the gym. It is currently 9:45. How was the rajma chawal yesterday, Addison?
It was delicious.
Was-
I liked it.
Was it better than the first time?
It was better than the first time.
What about you?
It was great. I loved it. Definitely better than last time,
Yeah.
because there was the real ingredients that were
Yeah.
there this time.
Jeera.
Jeera.
Yeah.
Even the kheer was quite
delicious. Yeah.
Yum. Yeah.
Credits to Aishwarya's mom for making kheer, sending the kheer ka package. Dry ingredients she had given.
Oh.
Yeah, and then we just had to add milk and like make the kheer. So the kheer overboiled and like it's spilled.
Yeah, I was there.
Yeah, you saw
That
it.
was bad.
Yeah.
Was that the burnt taste that really did seem like burnt taste later?
Probably. No, it didn't taste burnt though.
It didn't taste burnt.
Yeah, it didn't
I
taste burnt.
smelled something burnt.
Yeah, so it was a kheer that got spilt. And tonight we are meeting the Japanese bros for dinner somewhere. Oh no, or rather ordering in. We could go for Japanese food, bro. Like, you guys haven't tried katsu curry, and that is really delish.